This week, my current event is on PPG in Ford City. They were being sued for contaminating the Allegheny River and former slurry ponds. The Penn Environment and Sierra Club filed a lawsuit in 2009 about the agreement that they negotiated, that PPG was not following it. So the lawsuit said that for decades, PPG was not following the contaminant rules and they kept polluting. So after all this came about again, they tried to talk to a spokesperson of PPG to talk about what had happened, since they're talking about it again, and they couldn't get anybody. So basically, since this is like a newer story, I don't see that any PR tools were used, because this is somewhat of a crisis because they were, contaminating the Allegheny River. So what I would say they needed to do is follow the crisis management steps, which would be number one, to analyze, which is probably what they're doing right now, analyzing the situation, and looking at safety. You need to look at the safety of everybody around you and how this is affecting everyone. 3 would be speed of essence. They're pretty slow on it, even though the story just broke a couple days ago. So they need to speed that up and start talking and start figuring out how to fix it. State the facts. They kind of left it up to somebody else to state the facts because no spokesperson was available. Apologize. They have not apologized for still polluting. Remember the human aspect. I guess they're taking time now to really sit there and recognize the issues that is really going on, how it's affecting people, and who it's affecting. Choose spokesperson wisely. It didn't say who the spokesperson was, so I guess we'd have to wait to see if they chose the right one. Use technology to your advantage. I didn't really do any research to see if they were talking about it anywhere else, just went on Post-Gazette and found the story. Follow up, the story is still new, so there's not much to follow up anyway. But maybe in the future I'll have a little bit more information to use.